Welcome to the Johannes Gutenberg University Mainz. We would love to welcome you to our annual Forster Summer School hosted by the Faculty 9, Faculty of Chemistry, Pharmaceutical Sciences, Geography and Geosciences. Unfortunately, due to the ongoing global pandemic, we've had to postpone our summer school from 2020 to 2022. Yet despite the delay, we're really looking forward to seeing you here in Mainz next year. You might be asking yourself why you should embark on such a journey. Maybe you haven't heard of our summer school. Maybe you aren't familiar with our university or even where Mainz is. Well, let me enlighten you. There are many excellent reasons for you to visit Mainz and participate in the summer school. Mainz, the state capital of Rhineland-Palatinate, is located in the heart of Germany, not far from the city of Frankfurt. We are only 25 minutes away from one of the largest international airports in Europe. And not least since the start of the corona pandemic, the city of Mainz has become world-renowned for one very important reason. Mainz is home to BioNTech, the company that together with Pfizer launched the first corona vaccine that is helping battle the pandemic around the world. Mainz is also the birthplace of Johannes Gutenberg, the inventor of the modern printing press, the namesake of our university. The Johannes Gutenberg University boasts one of the largest campuses in Germany, right in the centre of Mainz. Let's take a closer look. Not only does our campus host many different faculties, we also share the campus with numerous renowned research centres, such as the Max Planck Institute for Chemistry, and it is also home to the research reactor TRIGA. Since we are a campus university, everything is in close proximity. You can attend lectures, visit the library, take a walk in the botanical gardens, and meet up with a friend for a coffee or a game of beach volleyball, all in the same place. Now that we've given you an overview of the campus, let's get to know some of the students from the faculty that is hosting next year's summer school. Let's listen to the experiences of Laura and Alina.
As we chaperoned the previous summer schools, we got to explore Mainz and its surroundings, kind of like being tourists ourselves. My favorite activities were the visit at UV, a company building renewable power supply facilities, and the rafting tour on the River Rhine. Here we had the chance to get to know all the participants and connect with one another on a personal basis, while having a really fun time.
I agree, I quite enjoyed getting to know all different kind of characters from around the world too. I haven't had the opportunity to meet with foreign students, so it was interesting to listen to their experiences. Unfortunately, I couldn't participate in some of the activities Laura mentioned, but it still felt like we developed a small community at the end of the week, and even though it was technically work, it didn't really feel like it.
I'm sure you're also curious to hear about the experiences of some of our previous participants from around the world.
Hi everyone, my name is Lin. I'm from Vietnam and I am studying in Spain. I have heard about Forster Summer School through a website and I said to myself, why not spending a summer in Germany? And it's brought me here. This summer school gave me the whole packet of experiences. I met new friends from all over the world. I learned German. I discovered the city of Mainz. I also stayed with a local host, meet passionate professor, see the sunset in a vineyard and rafting in the Rhine River. Thank you for making my summer a memorable one.
Hallo, ich bin Mukhtar Idris. Ich komme aus Nigeria. Ich bin Doktorandin in Strukturbiologie und Bioinformatik an der Universität für Wissenschaft und Technologie in Kenia. I have participated in the Forster Summer School twice, in 2018 and 2019. It was really engaging, fun with a lot of activities. I also enjoyed the fact that the people invited were quite knowledgeable in the field. We also had a platform to discuss critical issues in sciences. So I really recommend the Forster Summer School to anyone interested. Ik liebe dich alle. Dankeschön.
Hello, my name is Ema, and I'm a third-year pharmacy student at the medical faculty at the University of Montenegro. My experience at the Forster Summer School has really helped me extend my professional knowledge in pharmacy and also extend my international perspective. I also really like the interdisciplinary approach to view the same topic not only from a pharmaceutical point of view, but also from a geographic and a chemical one. This allowed the students studying in different parts of the world and in different study fields to have something in common to discuss and to learn about.
As you can tell, the spirit of Georg Forster echoes throughout the programme. He was a revolutionary naturalist and world explorer whose inquisitiveness and global thinking inspires our summer school. Each year we take a closer look at one topic from the field of global change, exploring various future-based perspectives. In 2022, scientists from chemistry, pharmaceutical sciences, geography and geosciences will examine and explore the following topic, namely nuclear fission, discovery, impacts and perspectives. What does one associate with nuclear fission? How do the experts approach this topic? Let's find out.
The discovery of nuclear fission in 1938 was one of the most important scientific discoveries of the 20th century. I will look at the measurements and the chemical analysis which led to this important discovery by Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann, and the interpretation given by Lise Meitner and Otto Robert Frisch. I will also touch on the biographies of these four scientists.
Yeah, I will be happy to give a lecture on nuclear fission and radioactivity in the context of biosciences. And I will span a bow from the basic aspects, starting from physics and chemistry to the biological basics related to nature, to biology, to wildlife, and also to human diseases, to medicine, and also to pharmacy. I will talk on active exposure, and I will also talk on radiopharmaceuticals which are used in diagnostics and therapy of human diseases. So, welcome to my lecture.
More than 30 countries in the world use nuclear power plants to produce electric energy, but none of them has a final nuclear waste repository. You are invited to talk with us about this topic in our Summer School 2022.
To me, nuclear fission serves as a perfect example to illustrate the fact that natural scientists can never fully understand what they're actually doing, since they structurally have to exclude the social embedding of the technological innovations from their analysis, something recently discussed in science and technology studies.
In effect, nuclear fission has become the prime example of a high-risk technology. From a social science perspective, we aim at discussing with you organizational responses to cope with such high-risk technologies and potential crisis situations, as well as overall questions of controllability and societal responsibility.
We hope you're as excited as we are about this upcoming event and that we convinced you to come and join us here in Mainz. See you in 2022.